Part C. So here we're told that Alvi wants to buy the car, and on January 1st, 2023, he invested $15,000 into an account that earns 3% annual interest, compounded yearly. He makes no further deposits or withdrawals from the account, so he doesn't add or take away any money from the account during this time. Albi wants to buy the car for its value in January 1st, 2028. And in addition to the money in his account, he's going to need an extra M dollars and has to find the value of M. So let's see. In 2023, he invests $15,000, and then he's going to earn a little bit of interest. And 5 years later, in 2028, he's going to have a little bit more money, but it's not going to be enough to buy the car. So in part B, we found that the value of the car in 2028 is around $25,000. So let's see how short is he going to be. So to find out how much money he'll have in his account in 2028, we can use the future value formula. So future value equals present value times 1 plus R over 100K to the power of K times N. So in this formula, FV is the future value, which is what we're trying to find. PV is the present value, which is how much he invests in the beginning, so 15,000. R is the annual interest rate as a percent, so he's earning 3% interest, so R is equal to 3. K is the number of compounding periods per year, so how many times per year his money compounds, and we're told that it's compounded yearly, so K is equal to 1, once a year. And then lastly, N is the number of years. So from 2023 to 2028 is 5 years. So N is equal to 5. So let's sub in these values. We have 15,000 times 1 plus 3 over 100 times 1 to the power of 1 times 5. And we can find this in the calculator. Let's just simplify this a little bit. So this is going to be 15,000 times 1 plus 3 over 100, and then to the power of 5. So let's go to our calculator. 15,000 times 1 plus 3 divided by 100, close parentheses, to the power of 5, and we get $17,389.11. So $17,389.11. So basically, in 2023, he invested $15,000. 5 years later, those 15,000 become 17,389, but he needs almost $25,000 to buy the car. So how much extra money does he need? Well, that's going to be the value of the car, which I'll use the more precise figure here, 24,961.29. So 24,961.29 minus the amount in his account, which is 17,389.11. And let's find that using the calculator. So 24,961.29 minus 17,389.11. We get 7,572.18. 7,572.18. So just rounding this to 3 significant figures, he needs 7,570 extra dollars to buy the car. So that's the answer to part C.